guys! Bakit sabog ang kilay ko? Kakatapos ko lang maligo, literally. Kasi pupuntahan ako event today and it's a social media influencer content creator event. So I'm going to take you with me as I get ready. We're gonna glow up. I'm gonna share with you things I do to prep for an event. May it be a brand event, a wedding, or basta kahit anong event, basta event. Anyway, first thing I do, pagkalabas ko ng shower ha, is put my lotion on. Habang medyo moist pa yung balat ko, wag naman yung wet. Magpunas ka naman ng konti. Medyo moist, ganyan. Open pa yung pores mo, so mas madaling ma-absorb yung skincare na ilalagay mo sa skin mo. And I'm going to use itong sa Vaseline. This is the Hiii Serum Burst Lotion, Dewy Radiance for bright and glowing skin. And this one, you guys, really moisturize my skin and gives me a dewy effect. Pero guys, this is just the first lotion na gagamitin ko. Yes, meron pa tayong iba and it's going to be really critical in giving us that really nice glowy dewy sheen sa balat natin. Next is I'm going to do my skincare na. Current skincare ko is the Fresh Skin Lab Tomato Glass Skin. And you guys, as much as possible, kapag pupunta kayo ng event, you have to do your complete facial skincare at least 15 minutes bago kayo mag-makeup. Para talagang absorb na ng skin mo yung mga nilagay mo at hindi siya makaka-apekto sa makeup na gagawin mo. And then you guys, try to massage your face gently. Firm but gentle. Para mabawasan yung puffiness. Kung meron kang gua siya, that will be nice. Pero kung wala, you can just use your fingers. No problem. I'm just gonna massage it to my face and wait for like 15 or even 20 minutes before I do my makeup. So, nagpatayo na ako ng hair pero hindi pa siya naka-style. Anyway, let's go to the makeup. At ang goal natin for today is like a very long-lasting HULAS proof makeup na tatagal the entire day. Feeling ko naman wala kayong makikitang bago dito. Pero you might see new products na malay mo magustuhan mo. Let's start with primer. Okay, so meron akong dalawang primer na i-recommend I'm currently using. First is the Spotlight Cosmetics No Pores Blurring Primer. I use this kapag gusto ko ng matte finish. But this one is from Get Ready Me Cosmetics. This is my second na already. And I use this one every time I want to do a dewy or let's say a satin finish makeup. Never fails. Really holds my makeup for a very long time. Pero syempre, may tulong pa ng mga setting spray on and all that. And you're gonna see it later. So for today, I'm going to use it sa Get Ready Me Cosmetics. Because ito talaga, super maaasahan primer. Meron pang other variants to depending on your need. So kung ayaw nyo ng dewy finish, you can go for the blurring primer as well. So if you know me, you know na uunahin ko ang eyeshadow before the base. And you guys, importante na meron kong eyeshadow primer. And ang currently ginagamit ko is from Kaleidos. This is the Tone Activator Eye Primer. This is really good. I have this for a couple of months na and it really holds the eyeshadow for a very long time. Tapos nagagawa niyang ilabas yung talagang color ng eyeshadow. Pero kung ayaw naman bumili ng primer, you can always go for the classic concealer. This one's from Get Ready Cosmetics. Another one of my favorites to use as a primer. Basta importante, merong kakapitan muna yung eyeshadow and not just your bare skin. Kasi kahit kano kaganda pa yung eyeshadow, it will not last. It will not look good kung i-apply nyo siya diretso sa skin. So I'm going to use muna yung sa Kaleidos. Just a tiny bit. Goes a long way. Now for the eyeshadows, kahit anong eyeshadow naman, pwede nyo gamitin lalo na kung subok na matibay, subok na matag na sa inyo. Pero ang favorite ko talaga is, aside from the palettes that I have, is yung singles eyeshadows ng FS Cosmetics. Guys, underrated makeup. But this is really pigmented, really long-lasting, ang daling i-blend, and there's so many shades to choose from. So if you're looking for a reliable eyeshadow without completely committing to a full palette, gusto nyo lang yung mga piling colors lang, ito, FS Cosmetics Singles Eyeshadows. Another very long-lasting naman, but quite tricky to use, is itong sa FS Cosmetics din. This is their eyeshadow gel. Medyo matagal na to sa akin. That's what it looks like. But this is quite tricky, lalo na kapag hindi ka sanay sa gel eyeshadows. You have to have a good quality brush, o di naman kaya pwede rin naman yung fingers. Pero hindi ko siya gagamitin right now. Isa lang kasi meron ako. And it's not the shade that I want kasi daytime yung event na pupuntahan ko. Another one na marirecommend ko is from Strokes Beauty. Itong kanilang Eye Paint Duo. This one is in Bronze Chocolate. Really long lasting, lasts the entire day, makapit, and good color payoff. Very easy to use din kasi it has a doe foot brush. So you can use a eyeshadow brush or you can use your fingers to apply this. Another one na marirecommend ko, oh my god, super long lasting talaga, pero I don't know if they still have this, if they still carry this. This is the EB Advanced Shadow Stick Cream Shadows. Sobrang kapit nito. Sobrang pang matagalan. Pag nag-dry na siya, it's budge proof. But syempre depende. Kung oily yung eyelids mo or kung nag-swimming ka, it's not going to look as perfect as when you first applied it. Pero really, really maaasahan. So those are my favorite eyeshadows to use for a really long long-lasting, you know. Pero, dahil daytime yung event na pupuntahan ko, I'm just going to use itong sa FS Cosmetics and then just light brush of color sa eyelids lang ang gagawin ko. I don't want it to be too dramatic at hindi yung full beat, full pakak, boom boom pow. Ayan, that's it. Now we can proceed with the base. Guys, kung naghahanap kayo ng talagang very long-lasting HULAS Proof Foundation, ang number one na marirecommend ko talaga is, based on my experience ha, the Revlon Color Stay Foundation. Yun talaga, full coverage, sobrang kapit, it's going to last the entire day. Pero super duper maaasahan kasi nung nag-on cam pa ako sa ABS-CBN, like I apply at 7 a.m. in the morning, like ang ganda pa rin ng itsura niya until makauwi ako ng 9 p.m. Another one na marirecommend ko is from FS Cosmetics. Their liquid foundation, yung consistency niya is quite thick and really creamy, pero the coverage is really good. Buildable medium to full coverage. Ganda ng finish with the right skin prep and right setting. Really, really long lasting. I just don't have the Revlon and the FS Cosmetics right now because I have no need for it. I work from home, hindi na ako nag-on cam, and I rarely go to events. Lalo na ngayon na I'm pregnant and I'm almost close to 8 months, so I don't see the necessity of buying foundations. But ang meron ako nalalaban sa Revlon and sa FS Cosmetics is from Get Ready With Me. This is their Radiance Foundation. This is medium to full coverage. And I like to warm up the foundation bago ko i-apply sa skin. And you guys, what I like to do is layer the foundation. Slowly but surely, thin coat muna. And then saka ko i-build yung coverage. Hindi yung isasalpak ko lahat ng ganyan. Tapos saka ko i-blend para mas flawless yung finish at hindi cakey. If I'm in a hurry, I'm going to use a really dense brush. Kasi pag brush ang gamit ko, isa-spread lang yung foundation without lessening the coverage. Pero pag may time ako, at dapat ganun ang gawin nyo guys, maglaan kayo ng sapat na oras for your makeup para hindi nyo pagsisihan na magiging itsura nyo. But if I have time, I use a wet beauty sponge. So done with the first layer, na-even out na yung skin tone ko. By the way, I'm going to wait like 2 to 3 minutes bago ko ilagay yung next layer. Also guys, don't be gentle sa beauty sponge nyo. You really have to dab it, like dab it and press into your skin. Of course, don't forget to blend your foundation sa neck area and the back of the ears and the ears itself din. Paabutin nyo doon yung foundation. Next thing I do is apply a makeup setting spray. Yes, kahit liquid foundation pa lang ang meron tayo, you have to be generous with your makeup setting spray. Kaya make sure na hiyang kayo sa gagamitin yung makeup setting spray. You're gonna have to use and abuse this. As you can see, hindi ko pa ginagawa yung brows ko because I want to do my brows after I finish everything base para hindi na maapektuhan yung brows ko. Lalo na I'm going to use a powder. Next I'm going to do is my blush. And you guys, on a daily basis, I just use one blush and then that's it. Pero since entire day yung event na pupuntahan ko, I'm going to use a cream blush and then later on, I'm going to set it with a powder blush. At pag yung isipin na, oh, it's too much or too many steps, yada yada. Girl, HULAS proof nga ang goal natin. Maliit na bag lang ang dadalhin ko. Ayoko magdala ng kung ano na mga pang retouch. Now, aside from the Get Ready With Me milk tints, I have 3 here. Liquid cream products na really long lasting. First is yung Strokes Beauty, yung bago nila, yung Crush Blush. And I have this one in the shade Darling. Kapag ito ginamit nyo on your bare skin lang, it's not going to be as long lasting compared dun sa may foundation kayo or meron kayong skin tint na nilagay on your skin. Another one is from Beauty Beauty by the very famous makeup artist Paul Onating. This one also is really long lasting. Ilang beses ko na ito nagamit lalo na last year for events and nakaka-fresh din. This is in the shade Beauty. Pero ang gagamitin ko for today na tried and tested ko na also really long lasting is from Sunny's Face. This is their liquid blush and this is in the shade Super Pink. Ito yung sa Strokes. Oh my god, a little goes a long way. I'm so sorry guys. Wait, blend ko muna. Ayan. Basically, ganyan siya. This is in the shade Beauty. Really matingkad on the swatch, pero pag ginamit nyo sa skin nyo guys, super beautiful. And this one is from Sunny's Face. Ayan silang tatlo. Ang ayoko lang sa Sunny's Face is yung presyo. Mahal siya, day. Buti na lang long-lasting siya at medyo worth it yung presyo niya kahit papaan. Plus, a little goes a long way. So, ito, magagamit mo to like probably half a year. So, what I like to do is put it on my palm muna. I don't put it directly on my skin. For everyday use, pag nasa bahay lang ako, just simple errands, I can do that. Pero dahil may event tayo, extra careful tayo in putting the products. So, I'm going to put it slowly but surely and then blend it with my fingers. I don't want to use a brush for this kasi baka magalaw yung foundation. I'm going to set my face with a powder. For everyday use, after a skin tint or a tinted moisturizer, I just use a setting spray and then I'm good. Pero dahil full beat tayo, full coverage tayo, I will set it with a powder to make it extra long lasting talaga. And I love using yung mga loose powders kasi kapag kayo mga compact powder foundation, may tendency kasi na kumapit sa mga iba't ibang areas and may tendency din na mag-add ng coverage. So I love using a loose powder. Airbrush effect ika nga. Lalo na sa T-zone area. And I'm not afraid to lose the dewiness na meron na ako ngayon kasi babalik at babalik din yan later. And lalagyan ko rin ng powders yung eyebrows ko because my eyebrows are a little bit oily. Kaya nung sinabi ko kanina guys, I'm going to set yung base blush natin with a powder blush or actually, sorry, baked blush. And this is from Get Ready With Me Cosmetics. I'm going to use this shade. This is in the shade Venus. Currently loving this for everyday at ngayon nga for events. It really gives a nice flush of color na may konting sheen. And then after this, didiretso na ako sa contour. For everyday, I love using cream contours, liquid contours. But for full coverage, I love using powders. And then I'm going to put a thin layer of brown eyeshadow sa bottom lash area. Very, very quick. I'm going to brush my lash extensions. You can use your fake lashes or mascara for this. I'm going to do my brows na kasi hindi na ako gagamit ng kahit anong powder. Guys, wala akong ma-recommend na brow products sa inyo because brow products are not my favorite. Doing my brows is not my favorite thing to do. Another layer of makeup setting spray. For the lips, oh my god, you guys. Nakalimutan ko mag-lip wrap. Bakit of all the videos that I film, ngayon ko ba nakalimutan? Pag nag-toothbrush kayo, gamitan nyo rin ng toothbrush yung lips nyo. Stay hydrated. Mag-lip balm or mag-lip prep. And my favorite product to use as a lip prep is from Detail Cosmetics. This is their Jelly Lips Lip Plumper. Dapat kanina pa. Dapat sa umpisa pala ng video, nilagay ko na to. I totally forgot about it.
The next day.
Okay, so tatanggalin ko na ang jelly lips. Make sure na tanggal lahat ng lip balm, lip plumpers na nilagay ninyo para hindi maka-apekto sa quality ng final lip product na gagamitin nyo. Okay, so for the lips, syempre kanya-kanya tayo ng trip. Some of you gusto ng matte lipstick, some of you gusto ng glossy and all that. Pero ako personally, it depends on the event na pupuntahan. Kapag kayong event ay may bonggang-bonggang kainan, like a wedding, believe it or not, I'm not going to use a kiss-proof, transfer-proof lipstick. Kasi I hate the feeling na I have a transfer-proof lipstick, pero kumain ako. So, may mga oil, may mga crumbs na nakumapit sa lipstick ko. Syempre, gusto ko siyang i-wipe off. Pero dahil transfer-proof siya, ang hirap tanggalin, di ba? Kailangan magdala pa ako ng makeup remover just to take it off and apply a fresh new coat. So, thanks but no thanks. So, pag pupunta sa event na may kainan, I love using products na madaling tanggalin. So, I can reapply a fresh coat. Gumagamit lang ako ng mga transfer-proof, ng mga kiss-proof kung sa meeting or papasok sa work, yung mga ganyan-ganyan. But you guys, for today, I'm going to introduce you to this lip tint right here. This is the Sassy Angel Co. Sassy Super Stay Ink. Nakita ko lang to randomly sa Shopee. And this is going to be my base tint. And you guys, I kid you not, this is a really strong, really powerful lip tint. Dapat pala hindi ito yung ginamit ko dahil wala na. Buong araw na yan dyan. Like, para siyang tinta. Kahit kumain ako na oily, masabaw, and all that, meron at merong natitirang tint. Kahit nga mag-toothbrush ako. But this is just going to be my base tint. Para mawala man yung top layer. Pag kumain ako, pag uminom ako, and all that, hindi ako magmumukhang maputla. So, I'm going to use itong sa Strokes Beauty, yung Silk Kiss nila. You know what? No. Para mas powerful talaga at hindi ka talaga mamumutla, Easy Cosmetics Jelly Tint. Kaya tanggalin natin to. Ano? Tinanggal ko yung gloss. Hindi na wala yung tint. So, pag ginatungan mo pa, gatong talaga, day. Gatong talaga. Pag nilagyan mo pa ng Easy Jelly Tint, eto, nagiiwan din yung tint to. Ay, day. Hindi ka na talaga mamumutla. Pag kumain ka, pag uminom ka, syempre, mababawasan yung quality, pero hindi ka mawawala ng lip color. Okay, so one final touch-up ng makeup setting spray. Yes, I'm serious. Alright guys, so I took off my robe again because meron tayong one last step bago tayo magbihis. And that is, I'm going to use the Vaseline SPF 50 Daily Protection and Brightening Serum Lotion. Now, this is what's going to give me the sheen that I like. Yung kanina, Dewy Radiance, may konting sheen na siya, pero more on the moisturizing effect. But this one, you guys, eto talaga ang magbibigay sa akin na bright, glowy, and dewy effect. Meron na tayong sheen from the lotion kanina. Dadagdagan pa natin yan. Para mukha talaga tayong fresh, and bright, and dewy, and glowy. Kasi guys, before, pag may event, naglalagay ako ng body glitter. Halata siya. Halata siyang body glitter. Kasi makikita mo yung mga chunks and whatnot. Parang nagsolipas na. I think it's time na magmukha kang naturally bright and dewy. Ayan, oh. And fast-absorbing siya, guys. Hindi siya sticky. So, you don't have to worry about feeling sticky, oily. Lalo na kapag ka-outdoor yung event. Bibihis na ako and pupunta na ako sa event. And I'm going to take you with me para na malaman niyo anong latest sa body care nowadays. So, I went to the 5th at Rockwell in Makati to check out the Vaseline Science Studio. It was hosted by the beautiful Nicole Anderson, and I was shooketh, you guys, shooketh but very excited to know that Julia Barreto is now the new ambassador for Vaseline. So, congrats, girl, deserve, very bagay, you're so beautiful. But you guys, the event itself was so much fun. We had a chance to have our personalized skin assessment, and you know what my result was? I'm super hydrated naman daw. And I'm like, girl, I've been using Vaseline for months na. Of course, I'm super moisturized. Personally, kita ko at ramdam ko yung difference sa skin ko, no? Like, no more tiny bumps, no more white chalky lines. I look brighter and younger even. And it's just Vaseline lotion. So, totoo yung hashtag Glutahigh Glow Up as long as consistent ka in using the products. And I'm consistent. Kaya mas maloloka ako pag dry skin yung lumabas sa assessment. And guys, FYI, Vaseline just launched a new lotion, and that is the Vaseline Glutathione Serum Burst Lotion Pro Age Restore. So it has 70 times more collagen to boost skin elasticity, reduce wrinkles. Meron din siyang Glutaglow technology, which is 10 times more powerful than vitamin C. So dewy and glowing ka na, firmer and plumpier pa ang skin mo. Kung brighter skin naman ang gusto mo, you can always go for the Vaseline Glutathione Serum Burst Lotion in Dewy Radiance. Ito, may Glutaglow, hyaluron, and niacinamide na alam nating, powerful ingredient in moisturizing our skin. Pero para doon sa mga uneven skin tone, ang problema, go get the Vaseline Glutathione Serum Burst Lotion in Flawless Bright. Meron din siyang Glutaglow, Hyaluron, and Pro Retinol. Now this one exfoliates dead skin cells for even skin tone while protecting you from the sun. And syempre, my favorite, Overnight Radiance Repair. Kasi aside from Glutaglow, Hyaluron, meron siyang aminopeptide complex. So kinabukasan, pagising mo, you have brighter and plumper skin. At ito, perfect to para sa mga ayaw mag-lotion sa daytime. Ito ang abusuhin nyo bago kayo matulog. At ang bango-bango pa. So overall, I really enjoyed the event. So thank you so much, Vaseline, for inviting me. Hey guys, so I'm home and I'm like super tired and super sleepy. It's like 9:32 p.m. So maliligo na dapat ako. And then I remember, bibigyan ko muna kayo ng update on anong itsura ng makeup ko. And no touch-up whatsoever. Yung foundation ko, okay pa naman. Mukha pa naman ako matino. I have a little bit of the blush on left. But the lips, you guys. Go get that lip tint and then patungo pa ng jelly lips. You're good the entire day. Mga ilang beses ba akong kumain? Dun sa event, painom-inom lang ako. But after the event, kumain ako ng sandwich. And then pasyal-pasyal. For dinner, kumain ako ng pork chop with buttered vegetables. So, ayan. May natira pa rin. Diba? Susuot ko yung makeup ko for like more or less 12 hours. Sorry, nasasilaw ako sa lights kasi gabi na. So, I need my bonggang-bonggang filming lights. But yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye!